Welcome back. So now we'll see what are Angular special elements. Before we move on to see what are the structural directives used, we just want to know what are the special elements which will be used along with the structural or attribute directive. So there are three Angular special elements. Basically, these are used to help show or hide things, reuse parts or move content. So one is ng template. It is a block of HTML that is not rendered until you explicitly call it or it is used. Ng container, it groups elements logically without adding a extra HTML tags to the DOM. So it doesn't add extra HTML tags to the DOM. And ng content is like a placeholder to insert the content which is projected from a parent component in child component. So to give a summary, ng template is used to show or hide things, reuse parts. And ng container is used to group elements without adding extra DOM. And ng content is used to move the content around, maybe from parent to child component. So just know these. Maybe we'll see the examples of it in the later videos. Thank you.